Hi there, we bought a Good For You glass house, polycarbonate house, 6mm, after seeing my cousin. Here's the start of it, in the boxes, timber for the base, and we'll see how we go. Here's the next part coming into position, starting to get level, it's going to be great. Told to make sure you get it really level to make it good, so bit by bit. Here we go, day of construction, bits going up. The next part, going together, the crucial flat bit. Ties in there holding it straight with an angle for the water. Down the crucial part, nice and flat and level. Posts going up soon. Getting there, sides up. End of the day, that wall is almost in. Day 2, sun's out. A few things we did to help. Clamped it overnight. And we put these on to stop the amount of bolts that's needed on each one. Tapes underneath. So we're filling up the time by taking the clear sides off, leaving the number on the inside of the panels, while the end of it's going together. Next picture, putting up the top. And just pay attention to how many bolts, be it 4 and 5 on the end, 4 in the middle. We've been so lucky, beautiful weather to put it together, and it's getting there. Not too hard, just follow the book. Almost finished. Last drain pipes and things. I could say is it's a good house, but read the instruction book carefully.